Yeah, so good evening, everyone. This is S. Chan Rakesh Roshan here. I work as assistant professor at RGKT IIIT Basar, Telangana. So welcome you all to this session on OBS. So in today's session, we'll be trying to understand how do we do live streaming using this free tool, OBS Open Broadcaster software. As you all know, OBS is a very good tool for online recording as well as offline recording, and we can also do live streaming, to either YouTube, Facebook, a lot of other things are there, Twitch, and all of that for gamers. So let us in today's session try to understand how do we live stream to YouTube, using OBS. So let me just get started. So let me open the OBS. So now, right now, you can see there are no sources. So let me add the sources. So first thing that I have to add, is the display capture. So it will capture my entire display. So it's like the screen recording, right? It will record my entire screen. So let me capture that. So let's do the display capture. And let me say, so now you can see this infinite screens popping up on your screen. So just say, okay, no problem. And you should also add your audio. So for that, click on audio input capture. So now say, okay. If you have any specific thing, mic or something, it will show, else you can just take default. So say, okay, no problem. Now, if you want to add a video, the presenter, you can add a video capture device. So let me not do it right now. Now, let us say you want to put your logo somewhere, in the corner throughout the session. So you can add an image. So here, click on the image. Now say okay and choose the image. So let me just browse the image. Let me choose some image. So now say okay, and you can put it wherever you want to. So let me just, you can just hold this, at one corner. You can just drag that, resize it. So let me now put it at the top right corner, and I want this logo, or your own logo, to be there throughout, your recording or streaming. So right now, as we said, we concentrate on the live streaming. So now you can see here on the right side in the controls, you have start streaming, start recording. So now we wanted to stream, live stream, right? So click on, so we should be going with start streaming. So before we go to start streaming, now go to, this file, and then go to settings, and here stream. So general stream, output audio, a lot of things are there. Go to stream. Now here we have to get the stream key. Okay. Now where do you want to stream? Now you can see the service. You can stream it to Twitch, YouTube, Facebook Live, Restream, Twitter. There are a lot of things. Right now, let's do it for YouTube. So let me just click on YouTube, and now I have to get the stream key and put it here, so that this session, whatever we are doing right now, can get live streamed to YouTube. So how do we get this? So for this, let me just go back to so go back to your own channel. So for just showing, let me just open my channel. So, or your own channel, where you want to live stream this to. So this is, let us assume this is your channel. So right now, it's our channel. So now go to, click on this, and then go to YouTube Studio. So now when you click on YouTube Studio, it will show you all your content and all of that. So here you can upload videos. Next to it, there is a go live. So now click on go live. So right now we want to go live, right? So click on go live, and here you can see on the left there are, stream, webcam, and manage. So you can just go ahead with stream, and you can just copy this. There is a stream key here in the stream settings. You have stream settings, analytics, stream health. Just first one is stream settings, and here don't do anything, just simply copy that stream key. It will come by default. So copy it, and then go back to your OBS, and now you have to paste the stream key here, and then say apply, and then say okay. And now go back to your channel. Now you can see here, connect streaming software to go live. So now YouTube is waiting, for the streaming software to get connected, which means I go back to OBS, and then I say, let me also start recording just to show you that it gets streamed. And no, not required, I guess. So okay, let me just start streaming. So let me click on start streaming, and then go back to the YouTube. And now here you can share this stream link. So let me just copy that, and let me just paste it somewhere, Control V, just to show you that we could go live. And now you can see right now it's live. So now you can see the screen. So whatever we are doing, So you can see here also. So let me share the control V. So now you can see. So you can see here also. Stream link. So let me just copy that, and let me just let me share paste it somewhere. Control V. So as you can see, there's just a lag of 10 seconds, 10 to 15 seconds, but you can clearly see that. You can see clearly that we are live right now, and yeah. So this is the channel link, and you can share it with your friends or to your students. So you can start sharing with your students, and you can go live, and you can see the logo also here. You can see the logo that you have put. You can have the presenter also as per your requirement, and let me close this. Let me close this. So now you can see still we are live. So for the past 1 minute 15 seconds, we are live on YouTube. So this is how you can go live on YouTube, and whenever you are done, you can also do live chatting and all of that. So whenever you are done, you can just go back to your OBS and then just say stop streaming. So just click on stop streaming, and the moment the streaming is stopped, from OBS, so you can check. You can just go back to this, and maybe it'll just take 5-10 minutes, because as you know there is a lag of that 10 to 12 seconds. So now you can see that the streaming would be stopped. So let me just wait for a while. So now you can see there is no more streaming because we have stopped the streaming. So this is all about how do you live stream using OBS. You can do it. You can live stream to YouTube, as we have seen just now. You can live stream to Facebook, or you can live stream to Twitter and other things. So hope you enjoyed this. So have a good day. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe. Yeah.